Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I will show you on how to get all paid courses in Udemy for free using Python automatically. These paid courses in Udemy, it only applies for a limited coupon. So let's start. So open your Chrome first to download the Python. So go to python.org and select these downloads. So right now I'm using Windows 10 OS. So if you're using different OS like Linux or Mac, there's a different installer for that. So click this for Linux and click this for Mac. So make sure you download a version of 3.9 or so on. So for Linux and for Macs, there's also a release for 3 point something version. So just try not to download this version because it will not work. So let's try to install our Python application. So check this button or box and go to customize installation and select next and select for all users and select your destination folder. So I'm going to save it into my drive D and to my Python folder. So I'm going to install it. So while the Python installing, we're going to use this GitHub website to get the code for the Udemy free courses. So just download it as zip file, then show the folder. Make sure the Python setup is complete or finished. We're going to wait until it finished. So it is successful. Now we're going to close, then copy this code into our Python folder. So drive D, applications, Python. So we're going to create a new folder named Git. So we're going to paste it and extract. So go to this folder and type cmd to this link. So to check the version of your Python, just type Python and it will show you the current version you are using. So to quit, so type quit and open and close parentheses. So now we have installed Python and we have already the code in Git. So we're going to install or get the other packages in Python or other requirement that needs to this setup. So we're going to type this command python get pip.py. Oops, sorry about that. Pip is the Python installer package, so that's the meaning of it. So it's going to install it. So as you can see in the end, we've successfully installed pip dash 20.3.3. So we're going to install the other requirements. So type python and requirements.py. So all this get pip.py requirements.py, it's also included in our folder downloaded earlier in GitHub website. So now it's now installed. So we're going to check the Udemy website and log in our accounts. So I'm going to log out, log in again using this email. So right now I'm using Chrome browser. So if you're using different browser like Firefox or Internet Explorer, there's no need to worry because it also have that browser in our Git folder. So right now we're going to copy it and type this into our Python. So it will ask for your Udemy email address. Right now I'm using this email, kapule@yahoo.com. The password I'm currently using. So for this option, zip code, not necessary in some regions. So it's not necessary, just type your regions or zip code. I'm using 3000 for Bulacan or some zip code. You can use other zip code to these options. So for next option is language preferences. So I'm going to use English. If you're using or another language like Indian or Japan, you can use you can type first comma, then type the language you prefer, like Japanese. So but now we're going to use English as language. So do you want to save settings for future? Yes. Um, we're going to save this, but take note, you can delete the settings here in folder. It's called settings.yaml. So now there's a list of categories in Udemy. So here it is. So like here, like development, IT software. So development, IT software. It if you select IT software or one, it will get all the paid courses in Udemy for this category. So we're going to select one. So it also has an option to download all courses in Udemy for free. These paid courses, it has a limited coupon, so not all the paid courses will automatically get in our Python. So this video is only for paid courses with a limited coupon for free. So we're going to select one and enter. Oops. So one, enter. So it will automatically open your browser. For this scenario, just click I'm not a robot since we're using a automation tool. So if this come up, just log in again using your email. So okay. So right now our Python or our code will automatically get all the free courses in Udemy in IT software categories. Actually, I'm not typing anything or doing anything. So if you want to stop it, just close this CLI or this browser or hold the control button and C. So it will automatically cancel the script. So right now, it will try to enroll automatically in Udemy. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.